Have you ever parked your car and you just scrape the bottom of the plastic front bumper against the curb and it takes a big gouge out of it? Well, it doesn't matter if it's your Ferrari or if it's your Honda, it just makes you sick. But there's an easy repair now, and it's a cosmetic repair for plastic. So if you have a big gouge like this, it starts pretty basic. You're gonna start with 80 grit on a DA or a grinder and just clean up the area. Now again, because we don't want to add any sort of chemical to the mix, what we're going to do is just blow it off. The nice thing about this product too is we don't require any sort of adhesion promoter. We're ready to just use this right on the sanded surface. Just going to pop the top and then purge the tube again. There, now they're coming out evenly. I want to make sure that they're both coming out at about the same rate. Now we're ready to mix it. And then we're just going to use, just like your mixing body filler, same idea. Just want to make sure you mix it thoroughly too, so it's one uniform color. Ready, and just make sure you push it in the holes there, and then you can just skim it over. We're good to go. Well, after 20 minutes, it's ready to go. We can sand it. You're gonna start with 180 on this. It sands like butter. It's a really nice product. Okay, now you're ready for 320. Now all you have to do is blow it off. Now keep in mind, don't use any polyester filler over top of that. If you need a second coat or you have some pinholes, use the same product again, then you're ready for primer.